When it comes to Derive, that is a big problem that we have in the industry right now, is how are we fixing hair thinning and hair loss, especially with patients being on these fat shots to help with decreasing their weight. Now, Derive, and I use Ultra Plus in my office as well, it allows me to do treatments for patients and even package them into a weight loss program where they're pre-treating or through the course of their treatment. Derive with the home care system has been truthfully very reliable in terms of what patients are seeing afterwards, and the hair thickness, even me personally. And in a span of 3 months of doing the treatments, one a month, I've seen a better density. I've just seen improved appearance of thickness of the hair. I feel like my hair is also growing faster than before. I've obviously read about it, knowing that that's what it can do, but now personally being somebody who's tried it and seen it, it allows me to be more confident also with how I'm recommending it to patients.